In today's video, we are going to Amana Mall. Yay! We're going to Amana Mall. But last time we are go to Bacha Party and Amana Mall. Yeah. Last time हम नहीं गए क्योंकि रेन हो गई थी और 8th फ्लोर भी पूरा क्या हो गया था, वेट हो गया था, इसलिए हम नहीं गए थे अमाना मॉल। आज हम जा रहे हैं अमाना मॉल। Alex, are you excited? Yeah! Excited. Are you very excited? Yeah! Okay, we're going to Amana Mall. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing so loud? Why are you laughing so loud? और करेंगे पूरा अमाना मॉल और बहुत मजा आएगा। ये तो फ्रेंड्स, अब हमें लगी शूट तो हम आ गए अमाना मॉल के पास नियर बाय KFC पे। जैसे KFC होता है, अजीब सा नाम है। चलो आज अंदर खाना खाते हैं। Alex, do it again. Order your meal. मिलाई पोटी, 5 चिकन नगेट और 3 पीसेस ऑफ चिकन।
ये आपका ऑर्डर है?
हाँ।
और डाडा ने क्या खाना है, एमन ने क्या खाना है, ये भी बताएं।
Eamon want pizza.
I literally love pizza and I want this pizza. I want this pizza. Okay, I don't need bucket. I just need pizza.
मैंने उधर एक ही सब
I want this also. Beef kebab.
ओके
Beef kebab.
ये एक
गाइस हमारा पिज्जा आ गया है
फ्लेवर एक ही
और साथ में नगेट्स और फ्राइज भी आए हैं। 2 पिज्जा है और अभी और भी चीजें आ रही हैं। वाओ, आई लव दैट चीज। आई लव पिज्जा। Okay guys, it looks so tasty. Guys, do you wanna eat it?
एलेक्स ने नगेट फिनिश कर दिए गाइस। एमन ने तो एक पिज्जा बाय 1 गेट 1 था। ओह वाह,
I wanna eat this. Literally, I so wanna eat this.
इट्स फॉर एमन।
फ्रेंड्स, हमने KFC से खाना खा लिया और अब हम जा रहे हैं अमाना मॉल। ये लेट्स गो। तो फ्रेंड्स, हमें यहाँ पे टेडी
डोरेमोन भी दिखाओ, अंकल से प्राइस पूछो, अंकल का नंबर फेंको, शायद उनको कॉल आ जाए।
तो फ्रेंड्स, हमें रास्ते में टेडी और ये डोरेमोन ये है।
डोरेमोन
स्पाइडरमैन भी है।
अंकल से पूछे कितने का डोरेमोन। अंकल
ये डोरेमोन कितने का है?
डोरेमोन ये 3
अंकल, ये स्पाइडरमैन कितने का है?
3000 एंड द बिग वन टेडी बेयर ये कितने का? बिग वन टेडी बेयर 5,500 का।
और ये स्पाइडरमैन कितने का है? लेट्स गो। आई डोंट वांट टू टेक इट। कितने का है?
स्पाइडर मैंने ये देखा 1800 एलेक्स। इनके पास स्पाइडरमैन भी है। और कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर्स हैं आपके पास? और कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर्स हैं?
पूरा दिखाओ। Look at this friend. Look at this cutie. Wow, I want this.
ये कितने की है? 3500 की। हाँ,
ये क्या बनेगा?
ये ऐसे ही कि खुलेगा ये? अच्छा, उसको
रिंग भी होती है, साउंड आता है। फ्रेंड्स, हम अमाना मॉल आ आ गए हैं और ये इसकी एंट्रेंस है और अब हम अंदर जा रहे हैं हमारा मॉल के लिए। ये देखिए स्टार्स लगाए हैं और ये फाउंटेन है, ये एंट्रेंस है इसकी। अब हम जा रहे हैं, हमें रास्ते में डोरेमोन मिला और मिकी माउस मिला।
सीधा करके
और यहाँ पर इसकी एंट्रेंस है और यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें। फ्रेंड्स आप यहाँ पर जरूर आइएगा, अगर आप आए हुए हैं तो मुझे बताएं आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है आई मीन। यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं और 8th फ्लोर, ये नीचे फुटप्रिंट्स भी बने हैं 8th फ्लोर के।
आज मैं चक्कर लगा
वो भी बना हुआ है 8th फ्लोर रूफ टॉप।
Amen, can you show the jellies?
Okay, these
Can you tell the eyeball? They have a lot of range. Lollipops.
lollipop. Crazy corn.
Crazy corn.
Don't eat it, you. Look, I found something weird.
Oh, look at that. Look like a ball.
It is a ball.
Yeah, look at that. There's a
There's
star.
stars and these like they're
Wait,
balls,
wait.
jawbreakers. They're jawbreakers. I saw them in a video and I just bought that. Oh.
A few moments later.
तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर 3 किस्म के प्ले एरियाज हैं। मैं जा रही रूफ टॉप पे क्योंकि वो मेरा फेवरेट है और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। तो फ्रेंड्स ये वाला एरिया जो है वो है जंपिंग ट्रैम्पोलिन का, मोस्टली यहाँ पर एडल्ट्स फन कर सकते हैं। और जो 3rd प्लेस है वो है गेमिंग का, उधर ज़्यादातर टोकन्स चलते हैं। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो कमेंट करके बताएं, मैं इसका 2nd और 3rd पार्ट भी बनाऊंगी। Okay guys, we are at the roof. Yeah, we are at the rooftop.
और हम जाएंगे
At the 8th floor. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Going up. Oh my. Now we're taking the ticket. Now, Alex, let's take the thing. Yeah, let's eat it.
Amen, go.
500.
500 each.
Okay, now I'm taking the band.
Alex, it's your turn.
Alex, take the band. Take the band, huh? Take the band, Alex.
आपने नहीं बैलेंस करवाया
करवा लिया। Let's go, guys. Come, Alex. Let's go. Bye, Mama. Remove your
Sandals or whatever.
Alex. Are you remove your sandal?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go, guys. Favors.
सर शर्ट का कवर करना बाहर निकालो शर्ट शर्ट बाहर निकालो बेल्ट पे
मम्मा ने बोला अंदर।
Okay, where you go now? Alex, you want to go? Go, 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 go. Run, Alex, run.
Where do you want to go? Let's go here.
It's a triangle shape. What is this? What is this? Look at that. It's like a cone. It's like a cone, baby. Where you go? Wait for me. I'm so scary. I'm so scary. When you
Okay, you have to be strong.
you have to go there.
I hate this part. It is so difficult to get there.
Okay. Alex want to go. Oh no. Oh.
It's not difficult for me. I hate this part so much. This the farthest. Oh, I'm so close.
Can I help you?
Wait, Alex.
It's so difficult.
Yeah, let me.
Go. Go.
No, you should come.
Okay. I'm coming.
I told you this is so difficult.
No. You want to go? I'm coming. Okay. Hey, yes. Wait. Oh.
Okay, we have to get down over there, but wait, Alex. Oh, there's more. Oh, be careful. I think I can. Yay! That was so easy. Oh, wait. Look, I'm gonna show you something. Look at this. I'll show you now. I want to do it again. Look. Okay, is there an octopus?
Alex ate the octopus.
This is so difficult. There is a giant ball.
What is this, Alex? Look at that. There is a,
Giant ball.
it's a giant ball. You want to go? Go, Alex. Oh, Emma is falling down, guys. Alex is not falling down. No. I'm falling down, babe.
That's so
Where you go, Alex?
Here.
Go try it, man.
I was running. I wait for Daddy.
It's okay. At
Jump like this.
okay.
I'm gonna jump also. Daddy, come. Go.
Okay. Alex, what is this? Look at that. That is a ball. You will kick this ball. Whew.
Alex, not over there. Let's go here. Look at this. Look. Ow, that hurts. Oh, Daddy's not. Look at Daddy's. I'm going. Look, there is a diamond ring. That's a diamond.
Oh, it's a ring. Oh, Alex. It's wrong.
Okay, this is a maze. This is a maze. Wait, not here, everybody.
What is this? Where are you, guy? Where are you, guy? Where you go?
Here at the top of the mountain.
Wait for me.
I think someone is calling you.
No, it's not calling me.
Okay. मैं थक गई आ जाओ
Okay, okay. What is this, Alex? What? It's a lipstick, Alex. It's a lipstick, Alex. Yes. Amen. Is Alex? Oh. What are you doing with lipstick, yaar? It's a mama lipstick. Look at that. It's a mama lipstick, Alex. What are you doing, guy?
I'm relaxing.
Come, bro.
It's getting bigger.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go forward.
Go, go, go. I'm coming. Where is Alex? Oh,
Here, move.
go, go, go.
Oh, there are sheep.
Go faster, go faster.
Let's sit on
What is this?
sheep. Oh.
Anyone want to sit on the sheep?
Oh, this is really cool.
Yeah, this is really cool. Where is Alex?
Alex, you will be lost. Come back. I think Alex is lost. I'm very scared. Alex!
Someone is here! Oh no! Someone is here! Oh, it's Alex! Look at that! He will be down! Yep!
Wait, guys, look at my child.
Oh, the ship is gone! Oh no! What are you doing, guy?
No! इस पे मेरा child देखो, friends. Alex, मेरी तरफ सुना. ये देखो, Alex, don't be lost. नहीं ऐसे. I said it. Look, I will show you. Come on, I'm going, guys.
What are you doing, guy? Where you go, Alex? Alex! Hey, bro! Where are you, bro?
There's more sheep.
There are a lot of sheep! Alex will eat the sheep!
Look at mine.
Alex, do it. It's your turn. Alex, it's your turn. Wait, Eamon. Do it, Alex. You want to go on jump. Oh, Alex, what are you doing? Go try, Alex.
This is so
Very good. Alex will sit on the sheep. Very good. It's Eamon's turn.
That
Eamon,
was so easy.
it's Eamon's turn.
So easy, friends.
Eamon is a winner. Alex be winner. Oh no, it's falling down.
Okay, I'm going. आप यहाँ पर स्टक हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पर स्टक हो सकते हैं. Friends, यहाँ पर आप स्टक हो सकते हैं. और look, guys, you're gonna be shocked.
Amen. Be careful, Amen. Be careful. Be careful, Alex. Alex, you look like a frog. Alex, what are you doing, guy? Huh? What is this, Amen?
He's vlogging too.
Yeah, you have to go. Go. Where is Alex? They have a lot of kids. Look at that. Where is Alex? Alex! Hey bro! Where are you? Hey bro, where are you? Alex, where are you? Alex, what is this? I want to go from here. Oh no! Where are you going?
I hate.
Okay, you want to go. I'm coming. Oh no, women!
I hate it. He's going faster.
Where are you, Alex? Alex, where are you?
Here.
Woo!
You want It's finished.
It's not finished.
I mean, this trampoline is finished.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming, guy. Can you please wait for me?
Look, friends, it's finished. Now we're going to next trampoline. Look, guys, I want to show you something. Guys, I want to show you something. So look at that. Can I do something?
Yeah.
Come on.
Wait. Go.
I'm going to do a stunt and show you. And then no flips are allowed. No flips. And then no flips. No, these are not flips. This is a cartwheel, not a flip.
Oh, hey, man, it's wrong.
I can do it on the ground, but not this. This is too jumpy. No. Ow. That hurts. No. Flips are allowed. Oh my god. Look at that. This is a dinosaur castle, I think. Can you find Alex?
Alex, I think the dinosaur.
Just look, guys. We're so tired, and there's a slide, a baby slide over there. Come from there. Come from there. Look, a baby slide. I'm gonna fight you. Ow. Ow. That's it. Oh no, I can't be up. I wanna stand. Ah! Ah, it's my leg. It's my leg. Ow! That really hurts. Look at this. Friends, do you want to play?
Huh?
Come on to a animal and we can play.
I'm sorry.
You have to hold it. Do you want to, rotate it? Rotate the phone. Yeah. So, friends, you want to play again? Again! Oh
It's falling down here.
Okay, let's
Oh,
go.
look at that, look at that, look at that, Alex. What are you doing, bro?
Dad.
No, 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 don't go, don't go, don't go. Okay, we have to, look at that, Alex, we have to go there. Come here, come.
Go there. And look at here. It's all dinosaur vlogs. I'm gonna jump. Calm down.
Wait.
Calm down.
2, 3, and go.
That is so cool.
Hit the phone. Who is hit the phone, Alex?
Alex हमने hit करना phone को.
Who is hitting the phone?
Hit को करना, light को hit करना. I was so close. Oh! Oh, I did it! I know how to do it perfectly. I see all the pictures. Hey! I'm here, right here, bro. Bro! Amen, bro! Amen, bro! One kid. Bro!
Okay.
Bro! Oh. Hi. I'm tired. Let's go up there. Take it. Right now, so don't disturb
Where you go?
Hey, I'm sleeping. Don't disturb me.
Oh, I'm coming. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, go!
ये तो इतना छोटा सा.
Get it there. Hey, bro!
Hey, bro. Alex. Alex. Where is Alex? It's here, I think.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, I will hit the Alex. Look at that.
That's okay. That's okay. Out.
Where are you, bro?
Hey, bro. Hey.
Hey, bro.
Now up here.
Hey, bro.
I want to say you something. Can I speak?
Can I hit you?
Can I speak, please?
Yeah. You will speak.
Speak, please.
Please.
Can I speak?
Yeah, you can speak.
Look. Don't disturb me, bro. I'm sleeping.
You are sleeping? What are you doing here, man? Where you go? Look at that, Amen. Look at that, Amen. Alex on the dinosaur.
Is he really? I want to sit there! I want to sit there! I gotta hear you! How did he get up there? Dada!
I know.
Here! Dada, what can you forget?
I don't know, Amen.
What?
How can you do it?
What? I want to go up there also. I'm gonna go.
No, Alex is falling down. If you go. Oh, look at that.
I didn't turn. How do you mom there again? Ouch! That hurts, yaar. You hurt me, yaar. No, I don't. I didn't. No. I'm pranking you again and again. Be careful, okay? Careful. Look at that. No! It's rolling. Ow! It's rolling.
Who is sitting on the dinosaur? Oh, Amen is falling down.
Look, it rolls. Yeah, look, it rolls.
Go, 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 Amen. It's so close, Amen. Amen is a winner. Yay!
It's getting there. No! No! I just said it right! No!
Alex. Oh. Where is dinosaur mouth? Alex, don't do that, yeah.
What the hell? Literally, yaar. What is this? It's a crazy dinosaur. Ouch!
Oh.
मैंने इसको सही किया Literally try it, bro.
Good try, good try.
Alex is a loser, yaar. Boys are always a loser.
No, boys is not always a
I
loser.
already win the game.
Yeah.
Look here, friends.
Oh, look at that, look at that. How did it go in the mouth?
I want to win this again.
Can I help you, Alex? Winner.
I'm the winner again. It's not a cat.
Don't do that.
What a crazy dinosaur.
Even Alex is gone. Where you go?
I'm going to drink water.
You want to go to drink water?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, okay. Let's go, Eamon. Let's go. Let's go.
Coming.
Eamon, come here, yaar. Pew. Okay, go, go, go.
I'm so tired. Go, 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 go! Friends, I'm going to go like... Look at my lovely face.
Where is Alex?
He's over there.
Go with Alex.
Can he like go like this? Can I?
Okay. Eamon, take a side.
How that hurts so lot.
Where is Alex? Where is Alex? Hey, bro, where are you?
Hey, hit me! Hey, Alex, don't fall! Oh, Daddy, come!
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, let's go, Alex.
What is this?
What happened,
It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Let's go. Go, man. Alex is gone, yaar. Go faster. Oh, where?
I just fell a little. Hey,
Where is Alex? Hey, bro.
hey.
You want to go jump harder, nah? Yay! Oh, it's a ring. What is this? It's a bag? Hey, bro, where are you? Oh,
La 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 la. Bye.
where are you, Alex? What is this? It's electric.
I'm here, friend.
Hey, मैं ना वहीं पे मैं आके पिक्चर ले.
Amen, died. Santa.
What is this? You will sit on a tree?
La 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 la. Can you make sure the la 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 la. Exactly. Right there. He's over here.
Where?
He's over here.
Oh, what is this, guys? It's a frog one? Happened, guys.
डैडा मुझे चोट लग गई.
It's okay.
ये पंप इतनी जोर का झटका है.
तो यहाँ पे आता है मैंने आगे मुझे भी आया था. Oh no! What is this? What is this?
Such a loser.
Okay, okay. You want to go, Alex?
Such a loser.
Okay. Come, go faster, Alex. Go faster, Alex. Oh, very good, Alex. Okay, Alex. Run, Alex. Run, Alex. Yeah, Alex.
Look at
Come, Alex, come here, yeah.
friends.
Em-
Look here.
Go there, Alex. Go.
Here. Butterfly. Wake up.
Go there, Alex.
Then relaxing. Look out. Look, I'm not even falling. I'm not falling at all. It is good. It is good. I love it. I can relax here all day.
Okay, man, Alex is go.
Oh, yeah.
जैसे मतलब कि जब मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ कैसा कि करे यार देखा हम Where you guys? Hey bro, where are you bro? It's here. Hey bro, what's up bro?
Hey! Nick, you make I hate. That I hate.
Where you go bro? Where is Diamond? Alex, I will find it. Oh no. Oh, it's here.
Ya çok fena da bir cıpta. Çok yapacağım. Ben bakıp öyle gidelim.
Don't do that, Amen.
Kapalı.
Look at this.
Şabaş ben oğul şabaş. Pardon.
Then get this finish again. Where? Look at this. Where? Oh,
It's okay. What are you doing, bro?
That's fine. I'm so tired, friends. Look, it's finished already.
Guys, look at that, guys. Look at that. Amen, we're going.
That was fun. So I know I go. That is so much fun. I want to do again. I want to do it again. It's so much fun.
What?
Hey, come here.
Amen, Alex want to go. Let's
I
go.
want to do more.
No, we have to go.
Look, I want to do something.
Oh,
Dinosaur.
you want to go?
तो फ्रेंड्स, मैंने और एलेक्स ने बहुत फ़न किया. अगर आप हमारी तरह फ़न करना चाहते हैं तो जल्दी से आए अमाना मॉल जंपिंग कैसल पे. ये लाहौर का बिगेस्ट जंपिंग कैसल है. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. और इसके जो बैंड है वो है 500 ईच पर्सन. तो ऐसी एक्साइटेड फन वीडियोस आपने देखनी है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना मत भूलिएगा. बाय.